Dr. Julius Amador Oliveros and His Lady, Past President Dr. Maria Evelyn William Dor. St. Peter's Vice President Dr. John Howard Perez and His Lady, QPDC PRO Dr. J.B. Tanchonpa. Dr. Jerome Luna and His Lady, QPDC Auditor Dr. Lurjoy Rigudon. Dr. Richard Caceres and His Lady, QPDC Assistant Treasurer Dr. Cindy Hermes. Dr. Romano Adonio and His Lady, Past President Dr. Elisa Nan. QPDC Business Manager Sasan Camacho Navalle and His Lady, QPDC Assistant Secretary Christine Marian Dufour. Dr. Rodante Roblesa and His Lady, QPDC Treasurer Dr. Karen Morales. Dr. John Bunyan Calamigan and His Lady, St. Clair Vice President Dr. Filipina Comunan. Dr. Alfred Restar and His Lady, St. Ferdinand Vice President Dr. Marites Alegre. Mr. Butch Alanes and His Lady, Past President Dr. Josefina Mendoza. Dr. Edgardo Samonte, Past President Dr. Edgardo Samonte and His Lady, Past President Dr. Jovelita Bravo. Dr. Victor Tan and His Lady, Past President Dr. Olga Munoz. Dr. Anastasia Racelis and His Lady, Dr. Maria Teresa Carmela Murray. Mr. Alex Orlano and His Lady, Past President Dr. Yolanda Rigudon. Past President Dr. Antonio Leon Valencia and His Lady, QPDC President-elect Virginia Chu. Dr. Jose Ernie Macario Patino and His Lady, QPDC Executive Vice President Maria Reina Lisa Forte. Dr. Cesar Anthony Odias and His Lady, QPDC Secretary Dr. Irma Cadiz. The Senate City Secretary Mr. Leonard Cansader and His Lady, St. Lorenzo Vice President Dr. Jovere Martinez. Past President Dr. Jose Albert Gabandi and His Lady, QPDC President Dr. Maria Dayan